Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding the search bar from view on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. All you have to do to hide the search bar is to bring your mouse cursor down to the taskbar area and then right-click to bring up some options. From these options, select Search and then select Hidden. This will hide the search tab from view. You can also choose to just show a search icon that when clicked will open up the search bar. You can also make the search bar appear again by accessing the same settings. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows tips and tricks.